What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we're taking a look at the crypto market. Today we have a green market. Yesterday most of these coins were down 20%, but as you can see, most of them are up over 10% right now. I think the bottom is in. I'll be showing you signs that the bottom is in. And guys, Elon Musk is at it again. He's tweeting about Dogecoin. We're taking a look at that. McDonald's talking about crypto. And guys, anytime you start seeing all these kind of institutions and rich people talking about crypto, they're trying to drag the normies in. Altseason is on the cards. I'll be showing you what I saw in the chart and why Altseason will happen. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0.
Starting off today's video, guys, you can see we have a green day in the crypto markets today. If we go to the weekly time frame, you can see that these coins are still red, but on the daily time frame, they are actually green. That means I feel the bottom is in, because anytime the bottom is in on any of these crashes, you are going to see a huge bounce by the altcoins, and that's what we're actually seeing. The whole market actually bounced. Yesterday was bloody. The week is still actually bloody. If we go for the month, it's still actually bloody. If we check on the monthly, you can see that on the monthly, most of these coins are actually still bloody. But it is what it is. I think the bottom is in. At the point of recording of this video, guys, Bitcoin is currently battling 37,000. Yesterday, we got as low as 32,000. People thought we were going to go back to 20,000. Oh, the bull run is over. We're definitely in a bear market. Everything is going to zero. Guys, there's anything I always say in this channel is that anytime we get to the point where everybody feels like, oh shit, this thing is over, the crowd is always wrong at the extreme. Now, it took for us to get 32,000. It took for us to get to 32,000 for everybody to actually get bearish. When Bitcoin got to 32,000 yesterday, people flipped bearish. All the last bulls we had, all the people that believed that, oh, there will be a reversal, they finally flipped bearish, and that was where the bottom is. This is a very vital lesson that we have learned. Anytime we see that the crowd, if they flip bullish, we know that maybe there will be a crash. If they flip bearish, maybe there will be a reversal, because the crowd is always wrong at the extreme. Ethereum got as low as 2,100 yesterday, but right now it's almost at $2,450. That's a very, very nice bounce of almost 10%. Bitcoin bounced actually up 8%. BNB had a 7% bounce. XRP had a 5% bounce. Solana had a 10% bounce. And you can see that the general crypto market itself had a 7% bounce. That means across board, the average price rise of all these coins was actually 7.7%, which is a good sign. And guys, it's something I've been saying in this channel. I'll continue repeating it. Altseason is actually on its way. Expected Bitcoin to crash this hard. Expected it to hold the support at 30,000 plus region, and it's actually doing that. We might still crash. This is not saying we might not still crash and we'll just be going up forever. We might still go back to test 32, 33,000 just to make sure that's actually a support. If we go back there and retest it, and boom, Bitcoin is going for a retracement around 50,000 to 55,000 region, guys. That's where I'll be taking profit. And guys, let's look at the Bitcoin price chart now. We have been having red for a very, very long time. Bitcoin has been crashing since when it topped on the 9th of November 2021. Bitcoin actually fell over 52%, which was very crazy. But this is not the first time Bitcoin is doing it. Bitcoin has fallen over 50% so many times. We had this crash in May that Bitcoin fell 54% and nothing happened. This thing happens all the time in crypto, and even the crash we had in May, you could see that Bitcoin actually retraced. If we use our Fibonacci extension tool right here, you can see that Bitcoin still had a retracement for the crash. That was the El Salvador day when it crashed. El Salvador day, everyone was saying buy Bitcoin to support El Salvador changing Bitcoin to a legal tender, but Bitcoin actually couldn't break through 702. So I'm expecting the same thing to happen this time around. I don't know what the narrative will be, but I know that at some point in time, Bitcoin is going to retrace. It's going to start having that upward momentum, and I'm expecting Bitcoin to come to this region from around 50,000 to 60,000, 58,000 region, or at most 60,000. I'm expecting Bitcoin to get to that region. And when Bitcoin gets to that region, guess what will happen, guys? People will get super bullish again. Remember, they were bearish at the bottom when they were supposed to be bullish. If you are bullish at the bottom, that's when you get good prices. I always say it on this channel. Anytime the crowd is shouting for, oh, let's go up, Willy, be careful, we might be going down. And anytime the crowd is shouting, down, Willy, we might be going up. We'll actually be following the chart of Bitcoin throughout this week to see whether we'll actually reverse. But actually, guys, I think that the bottom is in right here. I think the bottom is in. We might just end up doing the bottom doesn't just come in once and we'll just start going up like this. I think we might end up doing something like this, come back, text that, and go back up for the retracement. That's what I think we'll be doing. And guys, let's checking the Ethereum price chart. Now, Ethereum and Bitcoin actually have almost the same price movement. What I realized is that Ethereum and Bitcoin actually got to their full Fibonacci extension. So it feels as if the market is saying, you know what, Bitcoin and Ethereum are the main coins in this market, letting go, letting show us the way. As far as they have reached their full extension, the market's like, okay, Bitcoin and Ethereum has reached their full extension. Right now they are crashing, and right now I feel that rotation. I feel as if people are rotating from Bitcoin and Ethereum to other altcoins. I saw some people on Twitter saying, "Oh, I sold my Bitcoin to buy this altcoin. I sold my Ethereum to buy this altcoin," and they didn't know that what they were actually doing was that rotation we have been talking about. People will start rotating from Bitcoin and Ethereum to altcoins because right now they can really see that the chances of Bitcoin setting a new all-time high this year is very, very slim. Bitcoin will have a retracement at some point in time, but the chances of Bitcoin actually setting a new all-time high, I think, is slim. That doesn't mean it can happen. It cannot happen. It can actually happen. This is crypto. Anything can happen. Now let's take a look at Bitcoin and Ethereum dominance. Remember, as I was telling you that if we can break this 60% level, that's if the Bitcoin and Ethereum dominance can get lower than 60%. Then we might be in for all season. Now I've been waiting for this thing to break, but it's taking a sweet time. We're waiting for this same size move that happened from January 2nd, 2021 till May. You can see that the Bitcoin and Ethereum dominance was actually falling down. I'm expecting that same thing to happen, but not this heavy, but I'm expecting that same style thing to happen for it to drop down as Bitcoin and Ethereum going to lose market share, because right now they're not going to set new all-time highs and other coins are going to pump. It means that other coins will outweigh Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's what it means. And guys, we're taking a look at our other cryptos that we've been following on this channel. We've been following Zcash, we've been following Dash, we've been following EOS, we've been following Q2. A lot of these altcoins, I'm not going to lie to you, they took a huge beating. Now Zcash actually had Zcash had a 72% dump. Now let's see what Dash did. Dash, from the highs in November, Dash had a 67% dump. That was actually really not that bad. Zcash own was really bad. We had EOS. EOS had a 63% dump, which was not bad. These are actually really crazy. Think about it. Bitcoin and Ethereum crashed over 50%. So these altcoins in my own books actually held their own. For them to just crash just 10% less than Bitcoin and Ethereum, it didn't look like that because a lot of people were expecting magical alt season just before Bitcoin crashed. So as Bitcoin was crashing, people were still expecting alt season. I myself included was expecting alt season. But there's something I learned in this market: when Bitcoin is crashing, when Ethereum is crashing, it takes the whole market with it. Now, so your coin might be pumping, but the odds of your coin pumping when Bitcoin and Ethereum is crashing is very slim. Bitcoin and Ethereum crashes and take the whole market with them. But the funny side or the good side of that is when it pumps back, it actually pumps back. So these altcoins actually have greater pumps than Bitcoin or Ethereum. That's when you know that, oh, something's happening right here. All of them dump together, right? Get me? All of them will dump together. But when they are pumping, those altcoins will actually pump harder than Bitcoin or Ethereum, and that's when alt season will happen. Our targets are still there. I'm expecting our targets that we've set. And guys, this is my Twitter channel. This is my my Twitter handle. You can follow me on Twitter if you want to get up-the-minute updates on charts, on analysis, and on news. Guys, McDonald's actually tweeted about crypto. You know the whole joke on Twitter, or if you don't know the joke on Twitter, people just joke on Twitter, oh, now Bitcoin is crashing. Now everybody can go back to start hustling McDonald's job because people were quitting their job in 2021 saying, oh, they're not going to work again. But right now, since Bitcoin is crashing, people should go back to look for their work. And McDonald's was poking fun at people that were in crypto. McDonald's tweeted, how are you doing? Who run crypto Twitter accounts? Now, it was actually funny because the whole Twitter joke is Bitcoin itself was creating a McDonald's pattern. That's what people were saying, that Bitcoin is creating a giant M, creating a McDonald's pattern, yada, yada, yada. And Elon Musk actually chimed in. Now, remember Elon Musk? Elon Musk is the world's richest man. He has been a staunch supporter of Dogecoin. He actually said Tesla is going to be accepting Dogecoin for payments for their merch. Elon Musk actually tweeted, I will eat Happy Meal on TV if McDonald's accept Dogecoin. So Elon Musk is still on the Dogecoin train. He's pushing Dogecoin hard. And this is the same thing that happened before the alt season that happened in 2021. Elon Musk was tweeting about Dogecoin, So when the alt season came, Elon Musk's tweet actually started having impact, and people thought that Elon Musk was moving the market. He just like Dogecoin. He actually finds it funny that Dogecoin is a meme coin and people actually invest their money to it. Remember, when the market crashed in May 2021, Elon Musk actually went to Saturday Night Live and he was shilling Dogecoin, and the next day after, boom, the market crashed. Because I mean, guys, the crowd is always wrong at the extreme. If everybody will make money in this market, then we won't call it a market. People that will make money in this market, you have to do opposite of what the crowd is doing. It feels as if the market is easy. It feels as if anybody can make money in this market, but guys, that's not the way it is. Don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms, on Twitter, on Facebook, and on YouTube. It's Mr. Legend Crypto. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more some videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop new videos. See you guys next time. Bye.